Alright friends, now we have arrived at the topic of inheritance. So, it's very important topic in object-oriented programming. The idea is, we normally define classes and there can be a hierarchy between them. So what I mean, one class can be a subclass and another can be a parent class. So let's look at an example. I define two classes. The first one is animal class animal, and the second one, animal, and the second one is dog class dog. Alright, so as you see, animal is general class and dog is a specific type of animal. So when I say animal, it includes all kinds of animals. But when I say dog, it refers to only one type of animal. For example, the dog can bark. So, and the dog class and the dog can bark. Not every animal can bark. So let's define public void bark method. So inside the parentheses, I open my curly braces. I say system.out.println, and then I say dogs bark. Okay, so we define common features of animals in the animal class. So let's define every animal eat. So let's define eat method inside the animal class. I come here, I say public void, and then I define eat method, and then after that I say system.out.println and animals eat. Okay, every animal eat, but not every animal bark. So let's apply the inheritance. Dog here a specific class, which means dog is a subclass. So my parent class is animal. So for doing this, I use extends keyword, and then after that I give my animal class name, which means my parent class is animal and my subclass is dog. So let's create an object. I'm inside the main function. I say dog, and then I give my dog name, which is Alex, for example, and then I use new keyword and I say new dog. So I call the function for bark, alex.bark. Okay, I run it. So you see dogs bark. Alright. So using this extend keyword, animal is my parent class, I can reach all properties, all methods which is in my parent class. So I don't need to define eat method inside the dog class. So I can reach this eat method already. So that's why I come here, I say alex.eat. You see, I can reach parent method functions. I can reach parent method properties too. So I save it. Let's run it. You see, first dogs bark and then second animals eat. I hope you understand the logic. Alright.